Hello and welcome back to tazwells12. You're on my YouTube channel, which is tazwells12, and I am the host, who is Tara Wells. Today's video is going to be another makeup review testing tutorial video. I have got absolutely loads of bargains to show you that I got really good makeup bits for. But before we get on into the product or the video, I just want to say the nitty gritty stuff, which is if you like the video, you like the content, you like the advice, you like the product, then please remember to give it a big massive thumbs up, because one, it lets me know that you like the videos, two, then I can do more of them, and three, I can try and find more bargains to do these more videos. Any sort of makeup product I think is really good, I will bring to you. Get a first review here, so definitely put a thumbs up for that. You can also subscribe to tazwells12 and join the little love family and my YouTube journey as we go along. You can do that for absolutely free, and click the subscribe button and you will join most of my subscribers that are coming to join now. You can join us as we go along, and I literally show so many videos in different categories, so definitely come along. Video is not sponsored. It is an advice video for you guys. It is not sponsored at all from any of the brands. It is out of my own money, and it's an advice video for you guys. If you like the product or you want a conversation, then please let me know down below and comment, and I will 100% comment back to you every single time and like it, so definitely comment down below. The last thing is, please check out my other social medias. I have one on Twitter which I haven't updated. I'm so sorry. Naughty me. I will update it. There is two on Instagram. The first one is tazwells12, that's my normal account, and then there's tazwells12 home account. You can absolutely check them out as much as you like. Comment, like, follow if you like to do, that would be great. Anything would be great, thank you please, and just check them out, and it's completely up to you. But now we will get on into the makeup review testing tutorial video. The product that we're going to review is this little guy. It's really hard to see, I do know. I am trying my best with the light. The light is good at the moment, so that's all great. But this is a Model's Own product, and this is called the NOWBROW Brow Pencil and Brush Duo, and this is in colour Chestnut, which is 131. So it's obviously this like brownie colour, which I don't think is really a chestnut colour. It's not like a red colour, it's just sort of that medium sort of brown, which is really good because I don't like a really dark brown. I actually got this out of Poundland. I don't know if I got two products with it or one. Sometimes they will put two products together in one packet, so what you obviously get for 50p each, and then it's £1 altogether, or you would just get one on its own. So I'm not quite sure what happened with this. This side is a little spoolie, so we will actually try and use that in this video. And then the other side is this sort of triangle pen, you can see that, to do the eyebrows. This looks really good, and this is the only product I'm going to use on my eyebrows. It's very good. The only thing I'm going to like sort of blend it in with is this little spoolie sort of eyebrow brush that I got from Primark, and it's just called a brow brush. This is only £1 in Primark, so if you like the look of this, that's where I got this from. I've got a couple of these, really good, but that's the only sort of tool I'm going to be using to blend it in. I am going to clip my hair up and we are going to try the product out. Hair is all clipped up, now we will open this. So we'll start with the spoolie, a little bit like that. So it's quite a thick spoolie. My eyebrows are not too bad actually at the moment. Just spruce them up, just to make sure there's like they're not knotted together. This is pretty much what a spoolie does, unless you're using wax. Sometimes I use one of these to actually cut my brows. It just makes it all sort of in the same shape. My brows are not too bad, but I think they could be better. Need to sort of do them a little bit better. So that's the spoolie. So we've kind of got them all in the right direction, which is good. Now we're going to use a product. I've never used one of these before, so this is going to be something for first for me. I'll do this one first, and then I'll do the other one. So how I normally would use something like this is just on the outside. So yeah, I'm a little bit cautious of what this payout is going to be, if that makes sense. I hope you can see that. Oh, that was a bit thick, but I can blend that in a minute. So far, you can see the difference. You can see that bit is a bit thicker, a bit more coloured, so we'll keep going with it. Like I said, this is not normally something I use. I either use a pomade, but when I saw this in Poundland, I was like, I've definitely got to give this a try. I think it's just a bit daunting because it is like quite a thick bit of brush, if that makes sense. So I am going a bit thick in some areas, but you can see that there's nice colour, it matches my hair. But I don't think it's the easiest thing to do, so I'm going to do that because there's quite a lot and you can see that. And what I might do just before it sort of goes in a bit thick is just like blend it in with this. I probably only needed like a little bit of, let me just rub it off a little bit, sorry, me peeling. I probably needed only like a tiny little bit in. It's why, like I said, my brows are not like, they're not like they're not like majorly like thick, but they're not like majorly thin either. I don't know, I'm not quite sure about this product, if that makes sense. I don't think I can get like the defined lines I can in other products. It's not like bad, but it's just I don't feel I can get real defined bits in it. Oh, it's quite a thick brow, isn't it? Like compared to this, it's quite thick. Let's do the other side, because you'll see that a bit better. But like I said, I do not use a product like this normally, so it is a little bit different for me. Let me know in the comments below what kind of brow products you do actually use, because you might use a pen like this, or you might use a pomade, which is sort of a little bit similar consistency, but it's not as, what is it? Not as, like I can use a brush with it, if that makes sense. Like this is blending out though. I think I just should have used like very little. See, this looks a lot more nicer, I think, because I used a little bit less. That makes sense. Of product, and I've seemed to sort of, I've blended it in a little bit, because normally even with a pomade I will use a powder as well. So let me know what you use. You could use a pencil like this, a pomade, or a powder, because I do sometimes use a bit of a difference sometimes. But this one looks a lot better, I think. Does it not? This one looks really, really thick compared to that one. So I think I may have used a little bit too much product on here. So what I might do is 2 minutes, I'm just going to wipe it off, and then try it again just with a little bit. I've rubbed it off, just went over my foundation brush just to put the foundation back on, because I want the same sort of consistency. I think what I need to do is just go around the outline like I did that one, and then not use like so much product, and then I kind of think it's gonna work a bit better. And just do the outline like I said, like that. Go back to my brush. That's better. So I thought it looked a bit thick. But like I said, this is all trial and error to me as well, because these are not the sort of type of products I use either. This is a good learning curve for me because now I know how the product actually works. That's better. It's a lot better. Oh yeah, 10 times better. Yeah? Cool. Take my hair down and then we can talk about a little bit more of what I actually think of the product. I've took my hair down now and I think they look alright. If I done my normal bit with the powder, because normally I'll go in with a powder in the front and a bit here as well and just like tidy up any edges and stuff, I think this product would be alright actually. I don't think it's too bad. Like, how much product do you get in a total? It's just like twisting it up. Maybe don't break it. So you get that, about that much product. I don't think I've used that much, so to be fair, that's not too bad. If you wanted it just for like easiness, that is really good, because you just literally have to do the lines and then just smooth it in with this and then literally do the powder like I would normally do, and then it'd be absolutely fine. I think it matches my hair colour. It matches my hair colour like really, really nice. I didn't think it was like a chestnut like it's explained, but I think that's a really, really good product for the amount of money. I'm glad I picked it up because it's really smooth as well. Like, you saw how smooth it was. I literally like put a few lines on my eyebrow and then just smoothed it in with that. Like, a little bit of product with this goes a long, long way. Really, really happy with this. And my rating for this product is a massive thumbs up. I think it's good for the amount of money. It's really creamy, it's really smooth. I've picked the right shade. Like, I think it looks really, really nice, really easy. Yeah, love it. Really good little product for a cheap little bargain. Unfortunately, this has come to the end of the video. If you do like the product or MODELSOWN products or the advice or the video or the content, then please, like I said at the beginning, give it a massive thumbs up, because then it lets me know that you like it and I can do absolutely more for you. Come and join the tazwells12 YouTube journey and the little love family that I have got going on here. Like I said, it's absolutely free. Just hit the subscribe button and you are subscribed, and loads more videos will be coming. The video is not sponsored by any of the brands, any of like MODELSOWN or POUNDLAND, any that I did mention. It is not sponsored, it's just an advice video for you guys. Comment down below if you have used this product before, maybe in a different colour, or you go a shade lighter or a shade darker. Let me know down below and we can have a little conversation, and I will 100% comment back to you and like it. So definitely comment down below. Check out my other social medias, the one on Twitter and the two on Instagram. That'd be absolutely great. Follow, like, click, check out, follow, whatever you like to do, that'd be great. This is everything, and we have come to the end of the video. So like I said, I hope that you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching, thank you for supporting. I hope that you have a lovely day or a lovely evening, and I'll see you soon, guys. Bye.